Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick upgrade to your leg strap from your Safariland holster. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a special treat for you guys. Something a little bit different actually. Today I'm going to be upgrading my holster's leg strap, right? Most of you guys have the single or the double leg strap bungee type that comes with your typical Safariland holster. That is great and all. I love that I used it for years. Tend to like to do the single leg strap setup. A quick overview of my belt. My belt is a TYR Tactical. I have had this belt for approximately 8 years or so. It's held up pretty well. All I have in my belt is my flashlight handcuffs, a multi-tool, a dump pouch, and everything else that I need to work. I have it on my vest. My current holster is going to be a 6320 or M18 holster. I'm using the attachments that came with it, which is the locking system kit that comes with it. If you guys need model numbers, just go to the description below and I'm gonna put all those bad boys in there, okay? And that's pretty much it. And also the mid-ride UBL. Like I said, I'll put the description below on all the, I'll put all the model numbers in the description below. With that being said, check this bad boy out. I got this approximately 2 months ago and I haven't gotten the chance to really put it on my holster, but I need to, because for me, using that holster for 12 hours plus hours and the bungee attached to your thigh, it gets to be a little bit uncomfortable at times. So I decided to do a quick upgrade. I contacted Brian. I was like, hey man, I like what you're doing with your stuff. Can you make me the leg strap that I saw in your Instagram? With that, I'm gonna link his Instagram below. So if you guys decide you would like to order one of these bad boys, all you have to do is just hit him up and let him know, hey, I want one of your leg straps, okay? All he's gonna ask for you is to measure your thigh and send him your information, and he will actually make this to your size, okay? And if you ask him for a detailed video on how to set it up, he will do that also. So feel free to ask for any requests. I'm sure he'll love it, okay? So this is pretty much it. It's pretty slim, very comfortable. I actually had it installed, but I decided to do a video, so I took it off, and here you go. All you're gonna have to do is just use your little handy screwdriver and just go to the back of your screw. All you're just gonna do is unscrew the bottom screw of your holster, the bottom screw. And all you have to do is just take that bad boy out, right? Make sure you hold the back end of it and just pull. Well, mine fell off. Just pull your leg strap out. Now you could put the buckle on the back, set it up so you have it on the back in the event that you go prone and you don't want that jabbing into your thigh, or have it in the front, right? Key to success. You see these two pieces of webbing here? Those two pieces of webbing, that's what's gonna go between the screw and your paddles, okay? That's exactly what you're gonna utilize. So make sure that the screw goes in between these two webbing pieces. There we go. There we go. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do is just fasten the screw tight enough to where your leg strap is not going to go anywhere. I actually asked Brian, hey man, do you have a particular name for this? Is there like, what high speed super Saiyan leg strap is this? And he said I could name it whatever, dildo holder, whatever the case may be. So I just went with leg strap, all right? I didn't do anything special. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how it's gonna look on your holster. And that is a wrap for that, okay? Stand by real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and put this holster on, put my belt on. All right, for the sake of the video, fasten it, and that is it, right? Stand by, I'll give you a better look at this. Alright guys, so like I was saying before, here's a quick overview of the leg strap. It seems to be very comfortable to me. It feels very secure. It doesn't feel that constant pressure that you usually feel from the bungee setup that the Safariland holsters come with. Now keep in mind, you don't need a Safariland holster to do this kind of upgrade, alright? You can do it with any holster, I'm sure. If you have anything weird, hit up Brian, ask him, hey, can you do it for this particular holster? I'm sure he can work something out with you guys. Also, if you're looking for another different type of color, multi-cam, multi-green, or black, or some sort of weird color, ask him. Ask him on DMs, hit him up. It might take some time, he's a busy man. If you guys don't know him, he's my guy from PFC Training, okay? Solid ass motherfucker, right? With that being said, if you guys are interested in a solid flag like that one, hit up my boy, lowlands.com. He has t-shirts, stickers, all kinds of swags. Support the homies, right? His information will be in the description below. Just go to that link. I'll put his Instagram and website in there, and just feel free to hit him up for anything, right? With that being said, do me a solid. Subscribe to the channel, thumbs up or thumbs down, leave a comment, share it to the homies, and let me know, right? If you guys try this leg strap, come back to the comments, let me know how you feel about it. So far, I'm digging mine, okay? With that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned.